How to redeem Ubisoft code. If you want to apply or activate your game code for Ubisoft, then here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser and go to the search box and search redeem ubisoft.com/pick your game and then press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this pick your game homepage. Here you can unlock your content by entering the code that you received or would like to redeem. Make sure to enter the redemption code in the text box correctly and click on Submit My Code in order to unlock your content. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to successfully redeem Ubisoft game code. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.